Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching a Simply Earth essential oil box opening. This is actually November of 2025. Haha! No, we're not completely caught up yet. In fact, we even found some down in the storage room the other day. Independent business owner here in the States. 13% of her profits goes to help end human trafficking. She does a great job curating. I love all the little the recipes, and I love like I said, the projects and the whole idea of getting the home toxin free. I haven't done a great job of doing that, but it is on the to-do list, along with, 13 zillion other things. But let's see what November has in store for us. Alright, we have some mica powder, indigo blue mica powder. And we have some gift tags and some jute string. Tin. I may have to get my husband to help me open it. My fingers are not wanting to work tonight. But it's empty. It's meant for me to be, to fill it up. We have bath salt soak. And it looks like a couple of lip balm, which very important in the upcoming season with the cool and the wind. Oh, and here's our little paper with our stickers for the recipes, the stickers for our essential oils. And I love the way, like, the Northern Lights bath salt even has the place for you to put your date for when you made it. See, we're going to make Frosted Fir Solid Perfume. Oh, awesome. Holiday Spice Lip Balm. Winter Glow Sugar Scrub. I definitely have to make that. Citrus Spark Roll-On. Okay. It says estimated shelf life a year. I like that too, they're telling you. Northern Lights Bath Salts, Warm Welcome Diffuser Blend. And then from Zero to Hero, the Simply Earth Gift Giving. Let's see. And it says for the sneak peek for Black Friday. Sales open to everybody. Cyber Weekend sales, and then Giving Tuesday. And lots of QR codes to get more recipes. Oh, introducing a DIY bath salts kit. Oh, I'm going to have to talk to my husband about that one. Maybe I can get that in my stocking. And then there's an essential oil hero course. More QR codes. I just wish there was more time of the day, and I wish I had more energy. Autumn Air. Pine. And cinnamon. And orange. That's always a good one to have. I love those, the citrus smell. Sometimes we would take our orange peel, save them up, and then boil them, and let that smell just let them simmer and have that smell in the house. And then you can make orange peel candy. All right, we're going to put this away. I think this is something I need to put close to the top, because there's definitely want to make some of these. And I know everyone has the same 24 hours. It just sometimes feels like there's so many things I want to do, and I just can't seem to get them all in. But I think the trick to that may be making time to get them in. Nice little business. I like that they're local. I like that they do a lot of American-made items. The boxes, the printing, the supplies. They go American made as much as possible, and there's nothing wrong with foreign made. It's just we like to support our workers. support our American businesses, because they pay the taxes that help out this country, which then helps out people who need food stamps or Medicare. So we definitely want to support the American businesses, because listen, they help support the rest of us. Be sure to check out some of their projects, some of their products. And of course, you can order other things to be added into your box. And if it's added into your box, there's no extra shipping. I think that's pretty neat. Use our link that we've got down in the description, because I get a little bit of a thank you when someone subscribes. And it's not much, but it means the world to me. It really does. So every little bit helps. I hope you're excited. I hope you are inspired. I hope you would like to start, turning your bathroom and kitchen and the rest of your home toxin-free, and start living a little bit more naturally and supporting our businesses. Please like, subscribe, share, tell your friends about the product. If you're shopping for Christmas, check out our Amazon store. We'll have the link down below. We have a lot of little gifts and crafty things, some books, and some of our favorite movies, games, things you can do with the family. Probably learn a lot about us by looking at those lists. And of course, anything that we've used in our homesteading videos, or that I've used in my sewing videos, those products will be there too. Again, it is an affiliate link, so every little bit helps. Again, not a whole lot, but if you're buying it anyway, we'd appreciate the business. Most importantly, don't forget to come back, because I will be here waiting for you right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.